Hey, what's up? It's Austin here from Make Pop Music, and I'm super excited to introduce you to our first ever Vital preset bank, Synergy. Synergy is our brand new Vital preset bank that contains 200 presets that we've built from the ground up to specifically work with Vital, and we even wanted to take it a step farther and make sure that all of these presets would work with the free version of Vital. So as long as your computer is able to download and run Vital, you can use all of these presets no problem. All you need is the free version to get started. Every single one of these 200 presets is assigned with 4 macros, so you can have tons and tons of customization options. When we make a preset pack, we don't want a lot of things that are kind of the same with just small little tweaks. Instead, we're giving you 200 completely individual custom presets, and within those, you're able to kind of customize and tweak those to your own kind of flexibility. That way, you don't have 200 of the same sound. You've got 200 wildly different sounds that you can kind of customize to fit your own production. So this preset bank is essential for anybody who's working on pop, hip-hop, electronic, K-pop, R&B. This preset bank really does have all of those kind of presets, and to be honest, you're going to hear some examples in just a minute that really show you how flexible Synergy is. In addition to the 200 presets that all have macros assigned, we've also given you a folder of exclusive wavetables and samples that you can use within Vital. So if you want to start creating some of your own presets, even with a free version of Vital, we've given you some tools that you can use to start kind of building your own presets throughout that synthesizer. And to take it a step farther, we even gave you a little library of tutorials. There's a couple of tutorials that show you how to navigate Vital, how to utilize Vital, how to customize these presets, how to tweak things, use macros, change parameters. That way you can really get the most flexibility out of every single one of these 200 presets in this pack. I do want to dive in and show you some of the sounds that you can expect to hear in Synergy. This is not going to be even close to all of the sounds that we've included in this pack, but it'll give you a good little taste. We also have some examples on our website, so if you head over to makepopmusic.com, you can check out all of the details about Synergy. You can hear more examples that only use this pack as all of the kind of synthesizers, melodic elements, basses, everything like that. So if you want to check that out, head over to Make Pop Music. That's also where you can pick up this pack. This pack is going to be $40, and that includes every single preset, every macro, all the tutorials, all the wavetables and samples. So for only 40 bucks, you can grab Synergy and easily start leveling up all of your production. Let's check out a few of the presets that you could expect to hear in Synergy. Like I said, that's barely even scratching the surface of this pack. This pack is super flexible. It's perfect for pop, hip-hop, R&B, electronic music, K-pop, really any kind of style that's going to use synthesizers. This pack is going to be insane. Again, if you want to hear more examples of this, head over to our website, Make Pop Music, where you can check out the pack and all of the details. You can hear a bunch of demo projects and examples of this pack in actual use. We've been trying to make a Vital pack for a long time now, so we are really, really excited to finally be able to have a pack of presets that, again, you don't have to have a couple $100 synthesizer just to open and run. So if you have Vital, if you can open the free version of Vital, you should check out all of these presets. And again, just because you can use these with a free version of Vital, if you like that synth and if you really, really like these presets, we really, really recommend supporting the people over at Vital and kind of upgrading to one of their paid packages. We really, really appreciate the synth that they've made. They've done an amazing job. It is an incredible synthesizer, even without the presets that you're going to check out from Synergy. So go check all of that out. Go show Vital some love. And other than that, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below or send us a message at support@MakePopMusic. We hope that you enjoy the pack Synergy, and we'll see you all soon. Much love, everyone. Peace.